In this video, I'm going to show you how to play You're So Last Summer by Taking Back Sunday off of their album Tell All Your Friends. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Taking Back Sunday was your favorite emo band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning, and it will open up with the main riff. So we'll kick in right with the main riff. It'll sound like this. So all we're doing there is really alternating two chords. Okay, so we're alternating this 4th fret 5th string, 7th fret 4th string chord, and this D power chord, which is 5th fret 5th string power chord. And the way that we get into that is to hit this open 5th string. So it goes like this: open 5th string, then this 4th fret 3 times, and then the D power chord. Then we kick into the verse here. The verse is going to start the same way as the main riff. So we're still playing this. We'll play it twice. We'll come down to here. And then it repeats. Okay, so what we're doing, same thing as the main riff. 2 times, and we come down to this 2nd fret 5th string power chord, and then the G power chord, which is 3rd fret 6th string. Okay, when I'm playing these power chords, I'm just doing a 2-string power chord. So when I say G power chord, for example, I'm doing 3rd fret 6th string, 5th fret 5th string. There's a lead guitar in the verse that plays a couple of fills. So the rhythm guitar will be playing this like we've been playing. And every once in a while you'll hear the lead come in with a fill higher up the neck. So for example, one of them will sound like this. Okay, so there's a clean guitar, it's a clean sound. So that's the first fill that you will hear. And so the way that you play that one is we're starting 10th fret on the 2nd string. We pull off to open. Then we have 11th fret, 3rd string, 12th fret, 4th string. Then we have open 1st string, and then 11th fret, 3rd string again. And we're kind of letting all of those notes ring out as we play them. Okay, so that's the first fill. And then the second fill in the verse sounds like this. So we have a second fill that's almost the same, but it ends a little differently. So that's the same 10th fret, 2nd string, pull off to open, 11th fret 3rd, 12th fret 4th, then you bring pinky to 12th fret 1st string, and then index finger 10th fret 1st string. third fill is the same as the first. So third fill is... And the fourth fill is like the second, just ends a slightly different way again. So instead of going 12, 10, we go 12, open first string. So pay attention to those fills during the verse, but again, the main part, the main rhythm part, is still doing this the whole way through. And then right before we enter the chorus, you hear a crescendo, so we stop palm muting. Stop palm muting, and then we crescendo into the chorus. The chorus will have two guitar parts. So the rhythm guitar is still playing power chords. Now at this point, I'll use a 3-string power chord. So I'll include my pinky. We're starting on the D power chord, which is 5th fret, 5th string. Straight 8th notes with the right hand. Down to 2nd fret, 6th string. 2nd fret, 5th string. 3rd fret, 6th string. And the lead guitar will be playing this. So the lead will be playing this in the chorus. So that's just single note picking, 8th notes with the right hand. We're starting 5th fret, 5th string. Down to 4th fret, down to 2nd fret, back up to 4th fret, then open. So from the top, we have this so far. Okay, so now we're at 2nd fret, 5th string, and then we just go up to 4th, 5th, and 2nd, 4th, 5th again. So all together, the changes here are, they're not random, but not everything's changing perfectly on downbeats. So you have to listen to the record to hear exactly when everything changes. But we have this so far, so let's try and follow along. So that's going on over top of these power chords. One more time with that lead. At this point, we'll play a second verse, the same as the first, only this time without the fills. So there won't be any parts up here. There'll be none of that in the second verse, it's just all the rhythm guitar here. And we'll play a second chorus, the same as the first as well. And then we're into the breakdown. In the breakdown, the rhythm will play this. So what we're doing there, we start with this chord that we start the song off with, 4th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 3 hits. Then we go to this A power chord, 5th fret, 6th string, 3 hits there. And then to the D power chord, 5th fret, 5th string. And then we're going to play this harmonic. Okay, so the way you play that harmonic is we're using the 3rd string. you rest the pinky right where the fret of the 7th string is, and then you kind of lift your finger off of the string at the same time that you're striking it. And you have to get it just right. Okay, so it sounds like this. And then we kick in with these power chords. So after we play that little sequence, we have so that's just 2nd fret, 6th string, 5 hits, 5 hits again, and then 3 hits. So then the same thing on the 2nd fret, 5th string. And then it repeats. And you'll hear those lead fills in the breakdown as well. So those fills that we had in the first verse, they come back in this breakdown, so you'll hear those. And those are played the same way that they were in the first verse. So now, as we're coming out of the breakdown, now we're out of the breakdown and we enter the outro of the song, and the outro is going to be played like this. Okay, so the rhythm guitar will just play those power chords. We have 5th fret, 5th string power chord, then 5th fret, 6th string power chord, and then 7th fret, 6th string, 3rd fret, 6th string. And we'll just keep repeating this over and over. There is a lead part that happens for a bit in the outro. So there is a lead guitar part that's playing these octaves. At this point, it mostly joins up with the rhythm. Okay, but those octaves here, we're starting 5th fret. Okay, and just for clarification, the octave is 5th fret, 5th string, and then that'll also include 7th fret of the 3rd string. Okay, muting the 4th string in between them. Then up to 7th fret, then up to 12th, then down to 10, 9, 7, 5. So it sounds like this. Then up to 12 this time and hold it there. Okay, and then we join up with the rhythm. So we'll keep playing that chord structure over and over again to the very end of the song. Okay, we get to the very end of the song, and then one guitar will be playing these 3 notes here. So we're kind of barring the 7th fret, 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. You can play with your index finger if you want. So we're just kind of strumming those, letting them ring out, strumming them again occasionally, picking that note every once in a while. It's a little bit random here. A lot of gain, a lot of feedback. But you will hear a guitar playing these notes kind of randomly. And then the song will fade out. Was Tell All Your Friends the best emo album of all time? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.